Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ATAI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice movement. When you consider where the price was at the opening portions of the day, and then all of a sudden where the price closed, yeah, it did pull back from its highs, but still, relatively speaking, from where it was down here to where it still ultimately closed, any rational person would say, yeah, today was a very nice move. But that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at $2.10. So why is 210 important? Hopefully, we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if your price movement has genuine power, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. I agree. So with that in mind, think about 210. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this big old range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price goes down here, behaves in this manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have some lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying progress as $2.10. Now, what about levels of resistance going forward? In the very near term, that key level that really seems to has made itself apparent is right there at $2.45. Yeah, the price did get up here to up around the 260 mark. But before we start talking about doing battle with 260, in my opinion, the price first needs to prove itself in the near term. And again, I'm quantifying that phrase, prove itself, as not only getting up above 245, that red line there, but then being able to stay up above it. Overall, though, interesting day. Now it's a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We will see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.